just sitting down real quickly.
We are making bracelets.
I already started. I started already, guys. I already started like a long time ago. I started like already.
Yeah, that looks so cool,
After my
right?
mom and my dad.
You can barely see it, but okay. You can probably see it.
We'll
but-
show you the final product when we're done.
What?
We'll show them the final product when we're done.
Oh,
that's
okay,
true.
that's a good idea. Then how do we close this?
I'll help you close it. You let me know when you're done.
Okay, Mama. Look at this. This is like so
This
thin.
one looks good.
I got whites, by the way. I don't have white already. Did you know that?